Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dollie'cious Cravings, your go-to channel for mouth-watering recipes and culinary adventures. Today, we're baking something special that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Let's call it Baked Cheesy Bangus. So if you're ready to share some love in the kitchen, let's get cooking! Now, let's cut the ingredients. As you can see, I'm cutting the garlic and then we need to cut the onions as well. Let's mince it, as you can see in this video. Now we need a small ginger for this, and likewise we will need to cut it. And then to add some color and flavor, I also use red and green bell peppers. And syempre, okay lang din naman kung you only have red bell peppers. It's just to add some colors. And also, we need to cut these tomatoes into small pieces. As you know, this tomatoes are packed with nutrients, which is good for the heart and skin health. Now, in a pan, let's melt the butter over medium heat. Then let's put our garlic. The next thing is let's put our onions. You can use white onion if you prefer that. And also let's put the small ginger and then add some tomatoes and then our bell peppers. As you can see, it's full of colors. I really love this. Now let's season it with salt and then pepper and then your preferred seasonings. And then I put 1 tablespoon of fish sauce or patis in Tagalog. And then I will cover my baking tray with aluminum foil. Let's lay down the boneless bangus on a lined baking tray. And then we need some salt. Let's sprinkle it all over the bangus on both sides, salt and pepper. Then this time we will stop our bangus, as you can see in this video. Now while doing this, you can also preheat the oven to save time. Now I use 2 kinds of cheese. One is regular cheese and melted cheese. So I use half of each cheese. Let's sprinkle the spring onion, and again it adds some color. Let's bake this bangus in the preheated oven and bake it for 25 minutes. And there you have it, our cheesy baked bangus. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Let's spread positivity, so no hate, just love. Happy cooking everyone! I'll see you in my next one!